This is 6910 Glen Annie Lane Southwest. The rough-in plumbing has been done, so I'm going to take you around to look at that, although the final fixtures have not been installed yet. So here's the to the shower. There. And sorry. Both those go down in the wall at the bottom, or through the stud at the bottom. I'll show you that under in the crawl space in a moment. Here's where the shower drain will go. We've got the lines going up here. It was originally copper, and now it's been connected to some hex. Lines are running there. Here's where a sink will go. There's the toilet drain. Again, I'll go into the crawl space in a minute or two. That clean out was already there. And then the washer dryer. This stuff, whatever inserts, was moved from a couple over, and that's there. Then there's the line there, and then the this PEX piece goes out to an outdoor faucet. So I'll go in the crawl space and shoot more in a second.